Commercial real estate frequently asked questions. Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Remy Isdaner with Mirlo Real Estate Partners, and in this video, I'm going to be answering some frequently asked questions from my clients and others regarding commercial real estate. If you're new to our channel, this is a great video to start learning about commercial real estate and to gain some basic knowledge of the buying and leasing process. At Mirlo Real Estate Partners, we're commercial real estate agents who exclusively represent commercial buyers and tenants, never sellers or landlords. Our passion is to help the underdog have a fighting chance against big landlords. Our channel is designed to help educate all of the business owners and managers out there hoping to do just that. For more content like this, please be sure to like, share, and hit that subscribe button to ensure you don't miss out on any of our other videos. Now let's take a look at our first question. What is the best way to get the lowest rent when leasing a commercial space? What about free rent? It's simple. Don't just take the landlord's word that you are receiving a fair deal. You may be paying higher than you should be and leaving large amounts of money on the table by not thoroughly evaluating the open market. When you don't end up evaluating the market, you're left in a poor negotiating position. You're left trying to barter with the landlord for better terms. From my experience, this doesn't work well, and they can read you from a mile away. When you're properly represented by a tenant rep broker and you have a strong strategy, the proper timing and posture will force the landlord to compete for your business, and you'll get the best rate. Question 2. Why is the rent pricing so confusing for commercial real estate? Commercial rent is priced on a per square foot basis, per year basis, because it makes it easier for everyone to compare properties. However, when I say it's easier, I don't mean calculating commercial rent is as simple as multiplying rent by square footage. The price per square foot and square footage are the simplest concepts to understand, but the final product can be far more complicated and is referred to as the lease structure. The lease structure is extremely crucial to understand, especially when considering multiple deals in order to get an accurate apples-to-apples comparison. For a deeper dive on how lease structures impact the rent, please refer to our video titled How to Calculate Commercial Rent. Question 3. How far in advance should my business start the buying or leasing process? Great question. The proper timing is key. Ideally, you'll want to give yourself 9 to 12 months to complete a commercial lease transaction. This can increase if the market is super competitive. You have a large space requirement or a corporation where decisions are often made by committee. It can decrease if you're looking to renew your lease. For a building purchase, you want to give yourself 12 to 18 months for due diligence and construction. If you're building from the ground up, you might consider 12 to 24 months. It takes time for architects to develop the right plans for your business and to fully investigate a space. Construction can also take many months, and if you don't have time for that, you're drastically reducing your options to those that are move-in ready. Our fourth question is, how do I know if I should buy or lease? The shorter answer is to hire a tenant representative to help you evaluate the prospect of owning versus leasing. That said, the best way to compare the value of owning commercial real estate to leasing is to create a purchase versus lease model, similar to comparisons for other business investments. Any comparisons made between owning and leasing should also include an opportunity cost comparison, in addition to a rate comparison. You'll also need to look into what financing options are available to you, because the terms and feasibility of securing a commercial loan will impact your decision process. Our fifth question is, why shouldn't I just try to lease a space by myself and then hire an agent later if I need it? This is a great topic and one that we've dedicated an entire video to called DIY Real Estate, Why You Shouldn't Negotiate on Your Own Behalf. In commercial real estate, you typically only get one chance at negotiations every 5, 7, or 10 years. Mistakes can be very costly and can impact your business for years to come, not to mention wasting countless hours of your valuable time. In this game, there are no do-overs. You can't correct a misstep next month and rent a better space at a lower price. Bringing in a commercial broker who specializes in tenant representation is always better than going it alone. And remember, you aren't actually paying us, the landlord is. Therefore, you don't save money by doing the transaction by yourself or only having an agent come into the picture in the middle of the negotiation. All that does is make our job harder, and when our goal is to help you get a good deal, you don't want to make that harder. Our sixth question is, how do commercial agents make money? Landlords and sellers set funds aside for each space that needs to be leased or sold. These funds are for the marketing, the tenant improvements, and lease commissions. Once a lease or purchase agreement is signed, the landlord or seller will divide the commission to pay both their agent and the tenant or buyers. This means that you, as the tenant or buyer, don't have to pay for your own representation. Question number 7. Other than not paying a commission, what's the biggest value of having a commercial real estate represent you as a buyer or tenant? Commercial agents are industry experts and understand how to navigate the market. We know the right questions to ask and help you answer them to help you avoid costly mistakes and identify the best properties for your business. We spend our career honing our negotiation skills, which plays a significant role in every lease and purchase negotiation. We communicate with and coordinate all vendors involved with your project, such as lenders, real estate attorneys, architects, and general contractors. Our presence alone will save you money. While we're so much more than glorified space finders, it's true. The presence of a tenant representative communicates that you're prepared and that you know what you're doing. Commercial real estate can be incredibly complex, and if you aren't an insider, good information can be difficult to come by. In my practice, I'm always learning and growing, and I like diligently to serve my clients and provide them the best tools to make the right decisions for their business real estate. So if you have any specific questions or comments about anything I've shared, feel free to contact me directly by email, phone, or leave a comment below. If you found value or liked the video and would like more information about how to properly navigate the commercial real estate world, check out these other videos. Again, I'm Remy Isdaner with Mirlo Real Estate Partners, and I can't wait to connect with you soon.